Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a navigation bar on Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're in the main dashboard, you can either click on a blank site to start a new one, or you can work on a project that you've started recently. Now, once we're here, we're going to go to the right panel and click on Pages. As you can see, currently I only have one home page. So, we're going to click on this button right here and click on New Page. Now, for example, I'm going to make it About Us as the name of the new page. And as you can see, it should be shown right here. Now, if I want to make a drop-down menu from this, hover your mouse right here, and on this icon right here, add a subpage. Let's say I'm going to add a vision, and then add another subpage on About Us, and I'm going to add a mission. Now, as you can see here, when you hover your mouse on About Us, you now have two options as a vision and mission. You've successfully added a navigation bar on your site. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!